Welcome to the class, dear students. I am Priyanka Gupta and we are covering your grammar book Impact. And we are studying about your first chapter at the time, nouns. And we have already discussed about the types of nouns. Today is the turn about the solving exercises of the chapters. So come to the exercise number 107. Let's see, it's about your collective nouns. Okay, so let's see. A fleet. Fleet is collective noun for cars. Bench is for judges. Clutch is for chickens. Flock is for sheep. Pack is for wolves. Shoal is for fish. Pride is for lions, and so on. These all are collective nouns for these nouns. Okay, now come to the numbers of nouns. We have completed here types of nouns, and after that we will study about nouns, numbers of nouns. So let's see how we can change the singular into plurals. There are two types of nouns. Students, there are two types of nouns. First is your singular and second is your plurals. If there is only one thing, it will be called singular, and more than it will be called plurals. So let's see what are the rules for changing into plurals. First rule, plurals are mostly formed by adding s. Yes, of course. There are so many words which are made by adding s into plural. Just see, boy, boys, cat, cats, chief, chiefs, radio, radios. Come to the second rule. Second rule is saying plurals are formed by adding es. Yes, there are so many types of words. Some are made into plurals by adding s, some are made by es, and that's so on. So, if the word is ending with o, in most o ending words means in which words they are ending with o, that will be changed into plurals by adding es. Just see, potato, potatoes, tomato, tomatoes. Come to the B point. In most f or fe ending words, after changing f, fe into v or ves. Okay? Just see, life. This is ending with fe and it will be changed into es. It will become lives. See, in thief, it will be changed into thieves. Come to the next point. In all y ending words, which words that are ending with y, changing after into plurals, y into changed into I. Okay, in a particular condition, when before y there is any consonant, before y if there is any consonant, that will be changed into I. But in the case if y is qualifying by any vowel, so what will be their change? No change, only by adding s. Just see here, monkey, y is qualifying vowel e, then we will make it into plural by adding s. Come to the next. In all words ending with ch, s, sh, x. See, box, boxes, branch, branches, bus, buses, bush, bushes. We are adding here es. Get that? Come to the next. In the following f or fe ending words, whenever we can't change into v or ve, there will be simply adding s to make them plural. See, chief, cuff, graph, handkerchief, roof, cliff, dwarf, gulf, proof, safe. All these words are which can be changed into plurals by adding only s. Okay. Now come to the next. Some words change into plural in an irregular way. Yes, there are some words which can be changed into plural by irregular way. Just see man into men, child into children, foot into feet, louse into lice, woman into women, ox into oxen, tooth into teeth, mouse into mice. So I think this is enough for today. We will carry on next day. Let's see, we can complete all the points. Just see 6 point. In compound nouns, compound means there will be addition of 2 words or more. We adding s into the important part of the word, which is main part of the word. There will be add s. Just see commander in chief. This is your compound noun, and if we are making its plural, so there will be change into commander. Here will be add s to make into plural. Come to the son-in-law. There will be son-in-law, sons-in-law. Okay. Now come to the next point. Of letters and single words, plural are made by adding apostrophe, comma, and s. Just see p's, q's, i's, t's, ifs, buts. But to abbreviated words written in capitals, only s is added. Let's see BA, BAs, MLA, MLAs, MA, MAs. Okay. See at the last, words like sheep, deer, we can see fish, have the same singular and plural form. There are some nouns in which there is no change into changing plurals. Sheep, deer, and one more example is fish. Okay. Now that is completed. We will carry on in next video your exercise number 1.8, and it will be also homework for you. Keep it up. Thank you so much for watching.